Welcome to Mimi Daily English. We invite you to come and learn with us. Oh no! Today is Mom's birthday!
What? Really?
Shh! We need a secret plan.
A surprise party. What are we gonna do, Tom? We are going to bake a giant cake.
And we are going to buy...
Balloons!
Yay! Colorful balloons!
Look at the clock. Mom comes home at 5.
Oh, dare. We must hurry. Let's write a shopping list.
Let me do it. I can write it in English.
Team Surprise! Go! First, what do we need for the cake?
Flour. We need flour.
Excellent. What makes the cake sweet?
Sugar, strawberries, and candles.
Done. Now, I am the driver. Let me help you carry the heavy bags.
Captain Dad. Lily, you are the basket keeper. Let me help you hold the basket.
And I am the manager of the list.
Good job, manager.
The supermarket! Let's go! Wow! Here we are, team! Let's find item number 1. Let's go!
Look, Lily! This is the baking aisle.
Where is the flour? I see it. Flour is here.
Good eyes, Lily. Grab it.
Oof. This bag of flour is very heavy.
Don't worry, Lily. Let me help you.
Thank you, Daddy. Next is sugar. It's in aisle 4.
Aisle 4, let's turn right.
Here is the sugar for the basket keeper. Got it. 2 items checked.
Welcome to our baking kitchen, team.
Time to make the
cake! Yay!
We need a giant bowl first. A big blue bowl. Can I use this big spoon?
No, Lily. We use a whisk for the eggs. Look, let me put on my funny apron.
It's too small, Daddy.
Now, you are real little chefs.
Yes, Chef Tom.
Flour and sugar are ready on the table.
What do we do now, Tom?
We are going to mix everything together.
Let's mix!
We need a measuring cup for the flour.
A measuring cup? We need 1/2 of a cup of flour. 1/2.
I know that.
Now, we need 1/4 of a cup of sugar.
1/4? That is small.
Vroom! The sugar train is coming! Dad!
Be careful!
Oops!
Daddy, you have a white beard.
And you have a white nose. Now, put everything into the big blue bowl. 1, 2, pour!
Now, pour it into the cake mold. Carefully. Carefully. Go, Captain Dad.
We are going to set the oven to 180 degrees.
180!
Now, we wait for 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That is a long time. Look! It's growing! It's a cake now!
Ding! It's done!
Yes! Yes!
Smell the fresh cake, children.
It smells delicious. Now look at the beautiful pink cream. Pink cream. Let me add rainbow sprinkles. Perfect, Lily.
Oh dear, the kitchen is very messy.
We must clean up before Mom comes. Let me help you. I can use this sponge. Great job, Lily.
Wipe, wipe, wipe. Clean, clean, clean. Let me wash the giant blue bowl.
Look at the bubbles.
The kitchen is clean. The cake is ready. Now, let's decorate the living room. We are going to blow up 10 balloons.
Look at my balloons. Is it straight, to the left, or right?
A bit to the right, Tom. What is that sound? Footsteps.
Mom is at the door.
Hurry! Everyone hide! Lily, hide behind the curtain. Let me help you. Oof, I'm too big for the couch.
Shh, Dad. Pull your feet in.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Mom! Oh my goodness! Did you bake this beautiful cake for me?
Yes. Tom and I mixed it.
Make a wish. 1, 2, 3. Blow!
Family love is the best surprise. Wait, we have a question for you. Do you remember? What did we put in the big blue bowl? One is for the cake, one is sweet. Write it in the comments.
Just 2 English words. You can do it. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you for being with us today. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe.